Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful condominium unit, Port Charlotte. Let's go take a look. This unit is on the rear of the building, which is actually a plus because you're not looking at a parking lot, right? You've got peace and quiet to the rear. It's this unit right here. First thing you'll notice is a really beautiful outdoor space. It's huge, it's clean, it's screened. Notice that the second bedroom, the living room, and the master bedroom all have sliders out to this outdoor space. Don't worry, the bike will be gone. But you got this storage room too, right? Never can have too much storage if you ask me. But what a beautiful outdoor area. As we walk in, immediately to your right is the master bedroom. We'll take a look at that. Nice living room, dining room area over there. Master bedroom. Big walk-in closet. Now, one thing you'll notice is brand new carpeting throughout, fresh paint throughout. So the move-in is going to be as if no one has ever lived here because everything's new and fresh. You could see that the kitchen and bathrooms have all been updated. So the master bath is a shower only. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Notice the cabinet storage underneath. Beautiful stainless steel appliances. New, look at, brand new. Great fridge. Everything's clean and hidden right here. Beautiful stacked full-size washer dryer with shelves. Linen type closet there. And as we walk into the main bathroom, this one has a tub. You'll see there's also a linen closet here. And the second bedroom also has a walk-in closet. So between the walk-in closets, the linen closets, the outdoor storage, there's lots of storage space, which again, to me is a plus. You never can have too much storage. And again, brand new carpets and paint throughout. Contact Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee, 941-225-8183. And God bless.